Hello everyone. Today in the shop we're going to use the Rockler sign making kit. We're going to put Emiliano's name on a cedar board and see how it turns out. Here's to you, Emiliano. Alright, so what are we going to need for this project? We've got this router mat here which will allow the wood to stay on here, so I'll show you. The wood will get on here, so when you put a little bit of pressure it does not slide. We're also going to need our plunge router. Plunge router basically is a regular router housing, and when you release this handle you are able to push this down to get the bit into the wood. And we have placed a stop here for a certain width into the board. That way everything is uniform going all the way around. And we're going to need our safety glasses to get this bit spinning very fast. We're going to need some tape to put the name down on there, and then we need the letters. So let's get rid of the router right now. We don't need the safety glasses yet. I'm going to spell out his name on here. So Emiliano. Oh, she couldn't have picked a shorter name, but we're going to try this out. So we're going to snap these all together. I've made the board longer. We'll cut the board off later on after we do what we need to do. Let's use an old cedar board here. Now we're going to tape it down. Emiliano. Alright, let's see how this turns out. Hopefully nothing moves. We should be pretty good. Safety glasses on. Okay, this will probably get noisy, but so what we've got is I've installed the bushing on here, which is raised just a little bit, which will follow the inside of these. The bit, when I plunge it, will come out just a little bit to take out part of the wood. I will speed this process up for you, but let's see how this goes. Okay, so here we are. We're going to do a little bit of spray painting here. Looks pretty good. We're going to let that dry a little bit. See if I missed any like corners. And we're going to let that dry, then we'll come back and see how that turns out. We'll take it off and show you how much it stands out. Okay, so here it is. Paint's dried now. We're going to take off the letters and all the tape. Are we ready for the reveal? And we're going to adjust the sides and we'll cut everything down, but well, that looks really nice. We're gonna sand the surface. We'll sand the surface last, but other than that, because we'll get rid of these little outlines where you can see this is almost coming together, that'll be more defined. But that turned out real well. So here it is after I cut off some corners, shortened it up, cut off some corners. Now I'm just going to put a nice little 45-degree edge around the outside before we finish it. So we'll do that right now on this shaper planer that I haven't mounted yet, sitting on the floor. That turned out really nice. Sand her real quick, and just you'll see how it'll bring out these letters a little bit better. So we are done with that, and basically now we're going to blow it out. You can see what happens when we just knock it over. And you can see we've got a nice little 45 on the outside edges. So we've got the air compressor hooked up real quick here, and so you can see how that really just stands out now. Now I'm going to put a little light finish on it. It's going to use some Hellman's clear. And we'll let this dry. And that will be the end. Hope he likes it. And there it is on the back of the workbench. Really turned out good.